This is like my, I want to say 4th time retightening my hair since I started back in September of 2019. Try my hair. Okay, so the hair sleeps. But that's my hair. It sleeps. I'm okay with that though. It's growing a lot. I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna try to like lean in. I got all the parts and stuff. This part over here is thin, but hey, I guess you can't have everything, right? But overall, I think it got thicker, especially in the top. Let me turn it back. This is the back. Anywho, I just want to stop in real quick and show you guys my hair. When I'm not in school, I rock my hair like this and I love it. But just certain atmospheres, I'm not comfortable 100% yet, but I will get there. So don't come for me. That's all I'm saying. Be nice, okay? Anywho, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. For everyone who's already subscribed, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Till next time.